Ako, ito na. At saka may pa-background music tayo. Ito na nga, once upon a time. Hindi, of course, I think I mentioned it before. We were introduced by a common friend sometime 2013. At that time, at that point, I was already talagang, going out, nagde-date na talaga ako. I was going out in group dates, I was being introduced to people. And syempre yung mga kaibigan ko, lahat prospect. Yung andun ako sa point na yun. And just when I was close to like, yoko na, huwag na, parang huwag na muna, hindi naman akong mamadali I was set up on a blind date. Hindi siya talaga blind date kasi we went to the same school together. Ayaw lang sabihin sa akin nung friend ko kasi baka daw i-google ko siya. Dahil may ganun akong ugali. Ginugoogle ko yung mga tao. May background nito, NBA clearance. Okay. Anyway, so we went out on a date and we only to find out that we've been in so many places before, like so many of our friends' weddings. You were there? Ando ka rin? And at a restaurant, you were there? Ando ka rin? But it's just weird. All of my friends were like, how can you not know each other? Ang liit-liit ng circle na ginagalawan ninyong dalawa. As in like, his closest friends are some of my closest friends. And parang inisip nila, bagay sana sila, pero magkakilala na sila eh. So if anything, dapat matagal na nangyari yun. But, I guess it's God's timing that we should know each other now at this point in our lives. Because who knows, if had we met earlier, it might not have worked out. So, there. So, para siyang it's closer to home. He's not a complete stranger. Kumbaga, I guess which is what made it easier for us to gel. The end.
Realize na you're ready to fall in love again.
I'm ready to fall in love again. It didn't take long because I felt like, na-mention ko na ito, hindi ako yung tipong magtatanim ng galit na ayoko na, lahat naman sila pare-pareho, hindi ako ganon. Parang, I knew that I did my part. I knew that there wasn't anything really wrong with me, which is, I guess, dala ng support system ko. I knew that I didn't deserve it, and I deserved to be happy and to be loved because that's how I am. I like to love. And it didn't really take much time dahil nga, hindi na ako nagwalo dun sa pagpapahingahin ko muna yung puso ko or whatever. Love it never runs out. It's the one thing that the more you give away, the more it will come back to you. So I never really closed my doors to love. And not just the romantic kind, but even in friendships. Parang, ba't tayo mag-aaksay ng panahon na magkikimkim ng galit when there are so many people out there who are, willing to accept the love that you have to give.